Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your chat settings prevents you from sending messages in Roblox. First, open your browser. From here, go to roblox.com. Now, click on the gear icon on the top right. Go to Settings. From here, go to Privacy. Now, make sure Account restrictions are disabled is turned off. Now scroll down to Communication. From here, select Custom. Then click on Who can message me? Select Everyone. Now select Friends on Who can chat with me in app. And at the end, select Everyone for Who can chat with me. And it's done. Now you will be able to send messages on Roblox. Thank you for watching and please leave a like, share and subscribe.